Hey guys, I wanted to do a video on a shelter that we just had put in. I'm I'm doing this as a commentary because we're getting 50, 60-mile-an-hour winds and would just be impossible. So this is a large shelter. I think it's 7 by 9 foot. It's being installed by a company called Sprague's Backhoe. I think they're out of Blanchard, Oklahoma, and they did a really good job. Now, this size of a shelter is not cheap, and because it's above ground, it's all pre-made. As you can see, it has vents up on the roof, uh, and they also had to drill, um, what do you call them, core holes. They had to do 8 core drillings to secure it to the concrete slab that we're having it put on. I had a carport here, and what they've done is I've moved the carport out of the way, and then what they've done is they've put the shelter in place, and then I went and put the carport back in place. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. They have this truck that just cranes the shelter over, and it is a extremely heavy shelter. It has, I think, 8 to 10 inch walls, concrete walls, reinforced concrete. I think it's a six inch um, concrete ceiling. It's about 6.5 feet tall. I can stand up. This gives you an idea how much wind is going on right now. I can stand up in it pretty comfortably. So here's the roof. It's got a turbine vent, and I installed a digital antenna and a solar panel on the roof. And these are the anchors. Now, once the anchors were put in, there's 3 on each side, one in the back, one in the front. I went ahead and backfilled them with Quickcrete. This is the solid steel door. There's anchors in the front. I mean, in the top of the door and the bottom of the door, steel anchors. And then as you go inside, we've got some seats in there, and I put these lights, which I was really surprised. I got these lights off of Amazon. They're 12-volt lights with a motion sensor, and I put in a fire extinguisher, and there's a 12-volt lithium-ion battery and a solar controller. And as you can see, I put a little shelf up on the wall. I just ran the wiring down through the vent. This is a 12-volt battery operated TV that I got off Amazon. I think it was a little over $100, but you can just do a Google search on anything that's in this shelter: the fire extinguisher, 12-volt solar controller, the 12-volt battery, 12-volt battery operated TV, the solar panel. All of that you can get off Amazon, and this has worked great. We just had a storm the other day, and we even took in our neighbor. We were all in there. There were 8 of us sitting in there. My daughter, 2 of the grandkids, my wife, my son, and a neighbor, and 3 dogs. And we have some bins in the corner that have some supplies like water, toilet paper, and tissue paper and stuff like that. Some first aid kit, and it's a very comfortable shelter to relax in. You feel you're not stuffed down in a hole in the ground, and it has worked great. I really love the way Sprague's Backhoe took care of us and took care of us. Have a good one. I'll talk to y'all later.